Hey, I'm taking a break right now. I'm doing a little climb, and it's a not so easy climb, but I'm in good spirits that I can do it. And I already climbed a lot and hiked a lot today. It's a beautiful forest here. I just saw some monkeys down there. The weather's looking pretty good. The sun is right now hiding behind some clouds, but it gave me lots of energy today. So thank you, sun. And now I'm chilling under these two beautiful trees. You have to see this. It looks so mystical to me. I don't know the word in English, but it's like roots coming down from the trees. Roots growing down the trees. It looks so mystical to me. Look at this. Wow. Nature, huh? Wow. Yeah, and I'm fully energized. I just played some ukulele and I'm positive that I can make it to the top, that I can climb this mountain. As I did often in my life, I climbed lots of mountains and sometimes it was really rough. The weather was cold and I was fully exposed to all these thoughts in my head. The road led down the abyssal, but the top was the goal. So, not where I wanted to go, right? Some may notice that these were actually some lines of a song I wrote a few years ago, which is Step by Step. And in this song I sing about climbing a mountain and doing it step by step. Even though the rock face is rough, there's a strong wind. Go step by step and you will make it to the top of the mountain. And I'm saying to myself all the time, climbing the mountain, I have to go step by step. I cannot jump to the top. I cannot never jump to the top. So that's why I have to go step by step, right? And today I just realized I played the song on the ukulele and sang step by step, ba ba da da da, and I just realized, wow. Step by step, I'm going up this mountain. I totally forgot that this is a metaphor for everything in life. Because physically climbing a mountain is one thing, putting one feet before the other. And of course, this is a big challenge always. But I could do it lots of times. But when I look at my mental mountains, my working projects, my tasks that I want to do, those mountains of tasks that I want to climb, then I often trick myself into believing that I don't have to go step by step, that I can just jump. I can jump to the top, right? Physically, of course, it seems obvious, right? I have to go step by step. But I just realized it's for everything in life. This whole song is a metaphor. So thanks me for reminding me I have to go step by step. Because if I go step by step, it's the same physically as mentally, then each step becomes a victory. Each step forward is a step closer to wherever I want to go. And of course, never forget the journey's the goal, right? So I'm winning with each step. Each step, I've done it already. And along the way I learned a lot. So yeah, I just realized I want to take my mental tasks and my working projects the same as climbing a mountain physically. I want to go step by step. Climbing up that mountain, rough rock face, but it's strong when it comes to strength of my back. Whoa. Bye bye.